Welcome to the ACT Math Tip series. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one tip to help you solve exponents on the ACT. Stay tuned. Hello scholars, my name is Dr. Jide from Advantage Tutoring. Welcome to this channel, which is your one-stop channel for SAT and ACT Math Prep. So today we're going to be solving a question on ACT Math, and I want to show you a tip you can use for exponents on ACT. All right. So it says, for all integer values of a and b such that a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, which of the following must also be an integer? Then of course we have these options. Now, this tip that I want to show you, I call it the plugging in of values. All right, plug-in values. So we have that a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0. So if a is greater than 0 and b is less than 0, so we could say, okay, for example, let's say a is 2. All right, because 2 is greater than 0, so we could say a is 2, right? Then b is less than 0, let's say minus 4, right? Any negative number is less than 0, all right? So we have these values of a and b, then we plug it into the options, all right? So let's start with the first one, 3a plus b, that's 3, 2 plus negative 4, which is 3, 2 minus 4, which is 3 to the power of negative 2, which is what? 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. All right? Then we have 3ab. This is 3. A is 2. 2 times negative 4, which is 3, negative 8, 1 over 3 to the power 8. Right? Then 3ab. 3ab, that's 3, 2 divided by negative 4, this is 3, negative 1 over 2, right? Then G, we have 3a minus b, which is 3, 2, negative 4, which is 3 to the power 6, all right? Then we have the final one. I can do that real quick. 3 negative a, which is 3 raised to the power negative 2, which is 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. All right, so we've plugged in the values of 2 and negative 4 to all our options. So which one is an integer among them? So let's start from here. 3a plus b, we got 1 over 9. That's not an integer. 1 over 3 to the power 8, this is not an integer. A over b, 2 over negative 4, this is not an integer also, because this is a fraction. 3a minus b, 3 to the power 6, this is an integer. All right. Then the last one, 1 over 9 is not an integer. So the answer is 3a minus b, which is this. All right. So a quick way, what did we learn here? A quick way to solve ACT math, especially involving exponents, is to plug in values, especially when you're given maybe a variable, an unknown variable greater than 0 and b less than 0. Just assume some values and plug it into each options and see which options gives you the answer the question is looking for. All right, and then you'll be able to solve the question. All right. Please check out my other videos on exponents. The link is in the cards and it's also in the description to also learn more about exponents, and watch my other videos on SAT math to help you prepare for ACT math also. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.